Oh, Guruji, I was just wanting to know more about Kumbh Mela. Can you enlighten me a little bit about that, please?
On our planet, there are so many human gatherings. People get together from a small party to the large parties. Can you imagine one of the largest human gatherings on the earth? And without invitation card, no invitation is sent to anyone, and that is in Kumbh Mela. Kumbh Mela. Mela means festival. Kumbh means pitcher. The word Kumbh is from a pitcher full of nectar. Ancient history says there was a fight going on between demons, devils and demigods, and while fighting for that nectar, the nectar was spilled in Ujjain, where there will be Kumbh Mela in 2016 from April 22nd to May 21st. This 1 month long program is full of so many amazing and wonderful things which one cannot even imagine sitting at home. The very first question comes, why on the earth from 60 million to 100 million people will get together, and for what? There must be some essence, there must be some reason, and that reason is obvious based on some very scientific programming. One movement of the planet, one movement of moon affects our human life. When there is a full moon day, people are very busy in maintaining their mental state. Most of the mental hospitals on the earth, they become very busy on full moon day. Maximum suicide happens on full moon day. It means one movement of the moon can affect our human life. Then what could be the effects which cannot be measured by ordinary thinking or ordinary intellect when the movements of stars, planets and various celestial movements in the universe. So these movements were recorded by yogis, rishis, maharishis for thousands of years research, and they found that certain moments, certain timings are very auspicious, very special for human life. Now science has confirmed that we are subject to rebirth. Human beings are subject to rebirth. We are taking birth again and again and again because energy cannot be destroyed. And Einstein has said this human body is nothing but the dense form of energy. Now after the demise of this body, where the energy goes? Obviously it will take another form, another shape, what we call in Sanskrit is Jeev. Our all the impressions plus soul is equal to Jeev. Now Jeev takes the new birth, and there are 8.4 million species on the earth. Scientists have come across more than 6 million so far. But this number was already given to us by rishis and yogis after their great findings. Now this Kumbh Mela, there is a declaration very clearly. You take the dip during those moments, particular timings, then you can be liberated from this rebirth vicious circle of birth and death. We call it salvation. Now this is not just a simple belief. It has many reasons to understand. In a particular position, particular situation, particular circumstances, particular surroundings, particular place, and with your particular mindset, When you take the holy dip, there are brighter declarations that you attained salvation. So these salvation and liberations, what the human life has ultimate luxuries of human life. Once you collect televisions, all the video cameras, all the luxury items of your life, you have a nice picnic, nice holidays, and you may have a private jet, then thereafter what? The ultimate luxury of human life is salvation. Ultimate life, oneness. Life oneness is yoga. So yogis are there who want to just attain oneness with the Supreme Consciousness. Individual energy experience the oneness with the cosmic energy. So during Kumbh Mela, when people are coming from all over the world, they experience this oneness. They experience the dissolution. They experience their inner awakening. So that is why this Kumbh Mela is so auspicious. This is a Dharma gathering. Sinhast Kumbh Mela is a Dharma gathering. Dharma means the law of nature. Dharma is not the religion. Religion could be confined to a certain sect. Dharma, which in Sanskrit we call, who has a capacity for human beings to bear it. We are in the nature. We are in the Dharma. So Dharma is sustaining power. So this celebration of 1 month long Kumbh Mela is one of the greatest and auspicious gathering for human life. It appears once in 12 years. Especially in Ujjain, on the holy river Shipra bank, this gathering happens. During this gathering, from all over the world, various yogis they come. During this gathering, so many masters, so many yogis, they come, they meet, they discuss, they have debates on certain new developments, new things they adopt, new resolutions they adopt, they accept these things, and then they promote back to the mankind. How yogis live their life, you can experience direct. What are the expressions of yogis? You can see them. What is their lifestyle? You can see them. What are their teachings? You can hear them. You can experience their teachings. There are so many wonderful things happen during Kumbh Mela. One can just only come and experience. Many of the things cannot be explained just in the simple words, because one has to experience. As if you are thirsty, I keep on giving lecture on water, wonderful lecture, very nice words, it's not going to quench the thirst. If you are thirsty, you only need water. Water is the only answer to quench the thirst. So for these reasons, you have to experience the insight of Kumbh Mela, the insight of your Shakti, the insight of your awakening by simple visiting it. So these moments of your life will be lifetime experience. That is why so many people from all over the world, they get together. From different religions they come and they see the wonders. They experience the wonders. They see, yes, this is also one of the world exists in this world. So Kumbh Mela is full of so many experiences. One can only have it. You can come. And what Paramanand Institute of Yoga, Sciences and Research is offering during this Kumbh Mela is really great. The very first thing what we are offering is the 4th International Yoga Conference. In the conference, There will be many research papers, latest findings on yoga and related fields will be offered. Noble people, noble yogis will be coming and giving their presentations, lectures. They are invited, and many masters, they will be giving their discourses. Their insight about yoga will be given during this conference. Second thing what we are offering during Kumbh Mela, for a complete 1 month, free yoga therapy camp. Just a rough estimate, there could be a gathering, there could be total 150,000 to 500,000 people. They will be taking benefit of this free yoga therapy camp. We will be addressing or treating almost 60 different diseases during this yoga therapy camp. You can also come and volunteer or experience or can have yoga therapy during this camp. So this yoga therapy camp is very important for mankind. Many new teachings, new findings, new researches will also be done during this yoga therapy camp. Then third important thing what we are offering during this Kumbh Mela, resident program for inner awakening, universal law of energy, that is the Chid Shakti awakening, consciousness power awakening techniques. These will be almost every time 4 to 5 days camps. Each time you are coming, enroll yourself for that. Learn the in-depth these techniques. They are the techniques, very, very old, ancient techniques. They are coming to mankind first time in such a large gathering in Kumbh Mela. So you can come and experience there is something which exists beyond physical body, beyond physical senses, beyond mind, beyond intellect. This is what to be experienced during the experience of universal law of energy, that is consciousness power awakening technique. So this will be one of the offer throughout the 1 month gathering of Kumbh Mela 2016. Then one of the great offering we are doing, that many people are interested to get married in Indian style. In India, marriage is not the connectivity or the meeting of two physical bodies or the two minds. It is very famous all over the world. They say love is blind. But at the same time, also very famous, love at first sight. Which one is correct? Most of the modern marriages are based on love at first sight. Then what about the second one? If the second one statement, love is blind, then first is incomplete. Or if first is correct, the second one is incomplete. Whereas the true love has nothing to do with the lust. Most of the marriages, they get together because of the lust. And in this Indian system, marriage is the union of two souls. And this is very special finding. More than 98% marriages in the country like India, they are success, more or less they are success. Whereas in most of the countries in the world, 98% marriages may be having problem. 60-70% marriages are failed because something basically wrong. So we call it marital yoga. I have written a book, Marital Yoga. So couples who are interested to experience a traditional Indian marriage, they can also enjoy that marriage. Some of the couples have shown the interest. They want to come during that moment and get married in Indian style, where something more deeply connecting with each other. So that is one of the great attraction during Kumbh Mela. Paramanand Institute is also offering a Himalayan tour. After the completion of Kumbh Mela, you will have a golden opportunity to travel to Himalayas, to Haridwar, Rishikesh. I will be very fortunate to be with your divine souls together, going in a group and teaching and guiding you deep intensive meditations and yoga in the north hills of Himalaya. So this will be a golden opportunity that you come for a purpose and multiple experiences will go along with you. Paramanand Institute will also be giving very precious certification programs. One certificate will be given to the international visitors, yoga therapy technique certification, short term. Another certificate will be given Chid Shakti Prakriya, the consciousness power awakening technique. Third certificate will be given the techniques of meditation. These very precious certificates are important for one human life to experience something which cannot be experienced through the ordinary eyes or ordinary ears. Something you can see the unseen through these experiences which will be taught to you in these certificates programs. So this is such a beautiful program we are gifting to the mankind for the wellness of mankind, and from all over the world invitees are coming. You are also most welcome. For more details you can visit our website and the details are given on the website. It will be our pleasure to welcome all of you during this Kumbh Mela, the greatest, one of the largest human gatherings on the earth waiting for you. Om Shanti.
जटाटवीगलज्जलप्रवाहभावितस्तरेघ